For healthy lifestyle in chapter 5, all we have to do is we have to go back and add the validations to our form that we already built in chapter 4. So it should be a quick and easy one to go back and do. Um, so again, we want to follow the same suit as we've done all along. So when you're looking at the directions for this, again, you want to add required to all fields, autocomplete for the appropriate fields, and then also we're adding placeholder text. So when you make your video, all I really have to do is see your, sort of your form working in action. So if you hover over your buttons, this would mean that it's required when you get that pop-up text message about please fill out this field. So show that to me. For the first name, again, if you type something in and then hit submit, you should get an error on the second box. Again, if you reverse this, if you type something in the second box and hit submit, you're going to get an error on the first box. So again, I'm just typing something in. You already have your placeholder text here for your username. Again, type in a couple characters. Don't use your @ symbol. Hit submit. Again, you should get a message indicating there's an error. If you add your @ symbol on here, and add in your address here, hit submit. Again, now I'm getting an error on my radio button group. So again, this is how I want you to go back. Once you submit, you'll get a message here. Again, this is indicating this is not linked to a back-end database to store the information. So again, that's sort of how we want to test out these forms for the validations here in chapter 5.